Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas 3, aka the day we moved to Korea. Sean and I actually went out. We tried to cancel our phone bills, but apparently we have to call them and not go into the store, so about to do that. And then we had lunch. We had sushi for the very last time. And then we got some coffee, bought some groceries for my brother for the last time, like a gift, I guess. And yeah, now we have to pack. We literally have to pack right now because it's 4 o'clock, okay? It's 3:59. So I called the Kudo thing to ask if I can cancel my plan, and they're making me text this computer. Kudo assist. I said I want to cancel and they gave that little me. She's like, oh, so sad. Okay, so I guess someone's gonna call me back in like 25 minutes so I can oh, it's right now. Hello? Can't tell if everything fits yet. There's a lot of stuff that I was like, okay, I'm not gonna bring it because it just doesn't fit, like some jackets and some sweaters, so. Okay, update. We have an hour left and oh my god, we have so, I have no idea what we're gonna do with this stuff. I think it's time to stress eat and eat these cream puffs, sorry. I'm going in. This is like matcha. This one was called Christmas treat. And this is Queen something. It's Earl Grey. So I'm going in with this one. Oh. Oh my god. Mmm. Oh, raspberry. Oh my god. It's pink in the middle. It's kind of sour. Not gonna lie. It's good though. I love these because the bottom's soft. Oh my god, the matcha one's so much better. What the heck? Mmm, yum. Mmm. Playing with Pam for the last time. Oh, poor Pam. Hey guys, we're all packed, ready to go. Just did a family photo with them. And Pam. And Sean. Bye, Pam. Say bye, Pam. Look. She doesn't care.
Who's that?
Just kidding.
Who's that? Call her.
Pam. Pam. Pamela. Okay. Okay, me and Sean are gonna call a taxi. Ah! And head to the airport.
Almost crying.
We have too much stuff, guys. Oh my god, help. Okay guys, finally got our boarding passes. This is the first time I've ever had my carry-on like actually weighed, and that was also way over. Well, she was like, oh, it's supposed to be 8 only, and it was 11. Sean's was 12, and we were like freaking out. She's like, okay, I'll give you 10. So we got it. We're going in soon. I don't know when this video will be up because we arrived technically 2 days later. So yeah, I guess I should try to edit maybe now.
So tired now.
See you in